represented by Clare Henshaw. And before I bring her up, let me just read to you the profile of Mr. Mohamed Yahaya. He's a development practitioner with over 20 years of experience working on critical development issues such as preventing violent extremism, governance, peace building, conflict response and recovery, and public policy. In June 2019, Mohamed was appointed as the resident representative of the United Nations Development Program, UNDP, in the Federal Republic of Nigeria, leading a team of close to 200 people in supporting the government of Nigeria towards the realization of its development agenda. Before his appointment to lead UNDP in Nigeria, Mr. Yahaya was the Africa Regional Program Coordinator for UNDP, responsible for regional development initiatives supporting the African Union, Africa's regional economic communities. On behalf of Mr. Mohamed Yahaya, please let's make welcome Clare Henshaw, Program Specialist and Acting Head, Strategic Policy.